In this video, I'll guide you through how to open Google Cloud Console. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from your browser to the main dashboard, and you'll understand what you're seeing once you get there. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top of the window, type console.cloud.google.com as one continuous address, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This is the direct URL for the Google Cloud Console. Once the page loads, you'll arrive at the Google Cloud Console sign-in screen. If you're already logged into a Google account in your browser, you may see your account listed automatically. If that's the case, simply click on the account you want to use with Google Cloud. If you are not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account email address. Type in the email address associated with the Google account you want to use for Cloud, then click Next. On the following screen, enter your password carefully, make sure there are no extra spaces, and check that caps lock is not accidentally turned on since passwords are case sensitive. When you're ready, click Next again to sign in. If you have two-step verification enabled on your account, you might be asked to confirm your identity. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone, approving a prompt on another device, or using another verification method you've set up. Follow the on-screen instructions until the verification is complete. This extra step helps protect your account, especially when you're working with cloud resources and billing. After you successfully sign in, the Google Cloud Console will begin to load. The first thing you'll typically see is the main dashboard. Depending on your account, you might be asked to accept terms of service or confirm your country and agree to the conditions for using Google Cloud. Take a moment to review these and then click the appropriate buttons to continue. Once that's done, the dashboard will fully load. This dashboard is your central control panel for Google Cloud. At the top, you'll usually see a project selector. Every resource you create in Google Cloud lives inside a project, so if this is your first time here, you may be prompted to create a new project or use a default one. You can follow the on-screen prompts, but for now, just be aware that this area lets you switch between different projects later on. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. From here, you can explore various services like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and many others. Even if you're not ready to dive into those yet, it's helpful to know that this is where you'll come back to whenever you need to manage or create cloud resources. That's all there is to it. You've opened the Google Cloud Console, signed in, and reached the main dashboard, which is the starting point for everything you'll do in Google Cloud.